Looking for a broker with global reach, flexible trading conditions, and powerful platforms? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Alpari, from trading platforms and account types, to bonuses and more, so stick around as we dive into what Alpari has to offer. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Founded in 1998 and trusted by over 2 million clients globally, Alpari is a veteran in the online trading world. With access to Forex, metals, commodities, and more, it offers a wide range of instruments for all types of traders. Traders can choose between MetaTrader 4, 5, or Alpari's mobile application, paired with flexible account types like Standard, ECN, and Pro ECN, with leverage up to 1 to 3,000 depending on your region. Spreads start from 0 pips with competitive commissions, fast execution, and percentage allocation management module trading for passive investors. Alpari also offers educational resources and trading tools like Autochartist for better market analysis. While regulation is offshore, Alpari's long history, wide instrument selection, and low-cost trading makes it a solid option for traders looking for global market access. Alpari offers access to over 750 trading instruments across 6 major markets, making it a versatile choice for traders. In the Forex market, you will find more than 50 majors, minor and exotic currency pairs, available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with leverage up to 1 to 3,000. For those interested in commodities, Alpari provides CFDs on oil, both Brent and natural gas, as well as soft commodities like coffee, sugar, and wheat, with leverage reaching up to 1 to 500. Precious metals such as gold and silver are also available as spot contracts for difference, offering high volatility and leverage up to 1 to 3,000. Traders can also diversify further with a selection of major global indices such as the S&P 500, DAX, and FTSE, offering a broad view of the markets. If you're into equities, Alpari offers around 600 US stock CFDs from the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq, accessible via MetaTrader 5 ECN accounts. And for those exploring digital assets, the broker includes 28 popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, tradable 24/7 with leverage up to 1 to 100. While it doesn't include bonds, futures, or ETFs, Alpari covers the most in-demand markets, giving traders a well-rounded set of tools to work with, all on a single, flexible platform. Alpari is regulated offshore by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius and the Mali International Services Authority. Additionally, Alpari also operates under the Dubai Financial Services Authority. While it's not under top-tier regulators, Alpari is a member of the Financial Commission, offering independent dispute resolution and compensation. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts, and the platform uses SSL encryption and other security measures to protect users' data. Though regulation is lighter, Alpari adds extra trust through third-party oversight and solid security practices. Additionally, the platform supports two-factor authentication for an added security layer during login and withdrawals. Behind the scenes, Alpari enforces firewalls, access controls, and regular security reviews, with strict internal policies to prevent unauthorized access. Alpari's loyalty ecosystem is built around its Alpari Rewards program, where clients earn tier points and reward points for trading. As you climb from Bronze to VIP Master, your points multiplier increases, meaning more rewards per trade, and you can redeem points instantly as trading funds or withdrawable cash. New clients can also benefit from a welcome bonus matching your first deposit as long as you reach a certain amount of tier points within 30 days. There's also a refer a friend incentive where you can get up to 35 USD for each successful referral, while your friends earn points on top of points when they fund and trade. Beyond these, the Alpari cashback system allows you to exchange ALP points for refunds on spreads, commissions, swaps, and deposits up to 20% to 100%, depending on your status. The broker equips traders with 3 powerful trading platforms: Their mobile application, which offers an intuitive one-tap trading experience on iOS and Android, it combines account management, live trade execution, an economic calendar, market news, signals, and performance tracking, all seamlessly linked to your MetaTrader account. For desktop users, the Alpari's own Desktop Hub, which is a browser-based or downloadable platform where you can manage your account, view your balance and trade history, access built-in economic calendars, expert news feeds, live signals, and plug into pro tools like FX Blue or Trading Central. For serious traders requiring advanced charting and automation, Alpari supports MetaTrader 4 and 5. MetaTrader 4 offers classic Forex and contracts for difference analysis, with over 30 indicators, MQL4 scripting, virtual private service support, and multi-account management. MetaTrader 5 adds even more: stocks, additional CFDs, over 80 indicators, extra order types, MQL5 automation, and full portfolio tools, all across PC, Mac, web, and mobile devices. Both platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders flexible options to trade anywhere, anytime. Alpari offers 3 primary trading accounts to cater to various trader needs, which include the standard, ECN, and Pro ECN accounts. They also include percentage allocation management module accounts and a demo trading account. Their standard account is ideal for beginners and requires a minimum deposit of $50 on MetaTrader 4 or $100 on MetaTrader 5. It offers commission-free trading with spreads starting from 0.3 pips and leverage up to 1 to 1,000. Available on both MT4 and MT5 platforms, it provides access to Forex, metals, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their electronic communication network account is designed for intermediate traders and offers spreads from 0.1 pips and no commission fees. With a minimum deposit of $300 and leverage up to 1 to 3,000, it supports trading on the MetaTrader 4 platform across Forex, metals, indices, commodities, and crypto. Their Pro ECN account is tailored for professional traders and provides spreads from 0.0 pips and low commission fees. The minimum deposit is $500 with leverage up to 1 to 3,000 and is available on both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. It offers access to a broader range of instruments, including stock CFDs and ETF CFDs on MetaTrader 5. Additionally, Alpari's percentage allocation management module service lets anyone invest in professional traders' accounts or manage funds themselves. There are 2 core PAMM accounts, including public, which are visible to all on Alpari's rating list, automatically accepting investors, and is ideal for managers seeking full exposure, and private, hidden accounts that require a direct link, giving managers control over who invests. Managers set up the account, allocating their own capital, specifically investment terms like minimum deposits and profit split, typically up to 50%, then trade on both personal and investor funds. Profits and losses are shared proportionally, and performance is automatically and transparently tracked in Alpari's leaderboards and dashboards. Plus, Alpari offers PAMM portfolios, which lets investors diversify across multiple strategies with customizable portfolios through their Portfolio Builder tool. Additionally, Alpari offers a demo trading account for beginners to practice trading with virtual funds, allowing them to familiarize themselves with the platforms and strategies without the financial risk. Creating an account with Alpari is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Start Trading button. Next, you'll want to fill out and submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a password for your account. After you have created your preferred account, the next step would be to verify your personal information. If you are creating a demo account, you can simply just set up a demo account. After which, you will be redirected to the Alpari client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, download your preferred trading platform, view your funds, positions, visit their hub, and much more. The next step after you have created your live account and have verified your account, or have simply created a demo account, would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Alpari. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. You can easily switch between all of Alpari's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. And at the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. And at the top left of the chart window, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on Alpari's Academy to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal methods to fit traders worldwide. You can fund your account via bank transfers, credit or debit cards like Visa and MasterCard, popular e-wallets such as Skrill and Neteller, and even crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Deposits are often processed instantly or within a few business days, depending on the method. Withdrawals follow similar channels, with processing times ranging from instant for crypto to a few days for bank transfers and cards. Keep in mind that fees may apply depending on the payment method, and all transactions require the account holder's name to match the payment method for security. Also, Alpari may require account verification before withdrawals to comply with regulation. Overall, the broker provides flexible options to quickly move funds in and out of your trading account with ease. Alpari offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. For beginners, they provide a structured learning path through their academy, which includes courses on trading basics, technical and fundamental analysis, as well as risk management. Traders can also access a wealth of articles, books, and a glossary to deepen their understanding. To enhance practical skills, as mentioned earlier, the broker offers a demo account, allowing users to practice trading in real market conditions without the financial risk. Additionally, the platform regularly hosts webinars and live events featuring industry experts, providing insights into current market trends and strategies. For on-the-go learning, the Alpari mobile application delivers educational videos, market news, and trade management tools, ensuring traders have access to resources anytime. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your trading strategies, Alpari's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools needed for success. Additionally, the broker provides traders with daily market insights straight from its in-house team of analysts. You can access regular market analysis articles, podcasts, videos, and even live interactive sessions covering everything from Forex trends and commodity movements to global economic events. With this suite of content, Alpari helps traders stay informed and ready to navigate the market trends effectively. Over the years of operation, Alpari has received over 45 industry accolades and constantly ranks among the elite in global awards. Recent highlights include being named the best Forex broker at the Forex Expo in Dubai in 2021, the best CFDs broker in the Middle East in 2024, and earlier honors like the best mobile trading experience by FX Empire in 2018, as well as the best broker GCC in 2022. These awards recognize Alpari's excellence in platform usability, regional leadership, and product quality, solid proof of its long-standing reputation and commitment to trader experience. Overall, Alpari stands out as a seasoned global broker with over 2 decades of experience, serving more than 2 million clients across 150 countries. Whether you're a beginner just learning the ropes or a seasoned trader looking for tighter spreads, high leverage, and deep market access, Alpari offers a flexible suite of account types, advanced platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, and a wide range of trading instruments. Their offshore regulation is something to be aware of, but they offset this with fund segregation, third-party oversight through the Financial Commission, and solid security protocols. On top of that, Alpari provides value through its loyalty program, bonus offerings, rich educational tools, and daily market analysis, making it a well-rounded choice for traders looking for global reach and affordable trading conditions. If you've considered Alpari as your next broker, make sure to explore their demo account and start small. And if you're looking for a broker that balances simplicity, depth, and opportunity, Alpari might be worth a closer look. And that is our overview of Alpari. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.